ChuChu TV! Yay! There's Mr. Harlow!
Aw, nice to have you back, my friends.
What surprise are we in for today, Mr. Harlow?
Inside this gift box is today's surprise. Let's open it together.
I can hardly wait to see what's in it. Wow! There are so many eggs!
Let's take turns opening the eggs one by one.
Let's open them all! Pick me! Okay! Thank you! Shall we open the violet egg? Open. 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 Surprise! It's a cow! Wow! Yay! Wow!
Let's see what the cow says.
The cow goes moo, moo. Yes. Look how it takes care of the playful little calf. Pick me! Okay! Thank you! Shall we open the pink egg? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a sheep! Wow! Yay!
Shall we see what the sheep says?
The sheep goes ba ba. Yes. Look at the sheep trying to jump out of the pen. Pick me! Okay! Thank you! Shall we open the orange egg? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a hen! Wow! Yay!
Guess what the hen says?
The hen goes cluck, cluck. Yes. Look at it, guarding its little chicks. Pick me! Okay! Thank you!
Shall we open the white egg?
Open. Open. Open! Surprise! It's a horse!
Wow!
Yay!
Wow!
Shall we see what the horse says?
The horse goes, neigh, neigh!
Yes!
Look at the horse trot! Pick me!
Okay!
Thank you!
Shall we open the red egg?
Open! 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 Surprise! It's a dog!
Wow!
Yay!
Wow!
Let's see what the dog says.
The dog goes, woof, woof!
Yes!
Look at it wagging its tail! Pick me!
Okay!
Thank you!
Shall we open the blue egg?
Open! 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 Surprise! It's a donkey!
Wow!
Yay!
Wow!
Let's see what the donkey says.
The donkey goes, ee-haw! Ee-haw!
Yes!
Look at it help the farmer carry his hay! Pick me!
Okay!
Thank you!
Shall we open the green egg?
Open! 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 Surprise! It's a kitty cat!
Wow!
Yay!
Wow!
Guess what the cat says?
The cat goes, meow! Meow!
Yes!
Look at it chasing a mouse! Thank you! Shall we open the yellow egg? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a duck!
Wow!
Wahoo!
Wow!
Let's see what the duck says.
The duck goes, quack, quack!
Yes!
get to teach the ducklings to catch fish.
Did you kids have fun?
We had a lot of fun learning about these animals, Mr. Harlow.
It's time to go home for the day. See you soon!